Hello everyone, I am Rohit Kumar and I have performed the task 3 from the Spark Foundation of Data Science and Business Analyst Internship. Firstly, we will see the problem statement, and here we have to perform a exploratory data analysis on the dataset of sample superstore. In this task, we will try to find out the weaker area where we are lacking and where we can work to make more profit. Firstly, we will see that what step need to be followed for the analysis. So firstly, we import the libraries, reading the data set, and do some data preprocessing, exploratory data analysis, and the data visualization. And at last, I will conclude and give some suggestion to make more profit. Here I have imported the pandas library, numpy, and matplotlib for our analysis. And I have also imported a warning as wg to ignore the warning if there is any. Here I have read the data set by using the CSV file that is of Excel, and I have used dot head function to see the top 5 data, and all the columns are present in the data set like ship mode, segment, country, city, state, postal code, and so on. Here I have done a data preprocessing, like I have done use the dot shape function to see how many rows and column are present in the data type, and we can see there are 9994 rows are present and 13 column are there. And by using the dot column function, we can see all the names of the column are present in the data set. And here I have checked there is any null character in the data or not, and we can see there is not any null character in the data. And here I have choose dot info function to see the data type of all the column, like postal code have in data type, and like sales have plot and etc. And data set dot describe function to see all the stats like count, mean, standard deviation, mean. And here I have checked the duplicate value if there is any, and by using the dot duplicate function, dot duplicate dot sum function. And in output we can see there are 17 duplicates, so we will drop all the duplicates from the data by using the dot drop duplicate function. And these are the data with us now. And also there is one column are present which is postal code, which is unnecessary column, so we will drop this also. And this is the our final data which are presented with us with 12 column, and we as we can see tell that we have dropped the postal code column. And now I have done a exploratory data analysis. So for this, uh, firstly visualizing the data as a whole using the pair plot. For the pair plot, I have imported the seaborn library as SNS and plotted the pair plot of the sales, quantity, discount, and profit. From the pair plot, it is not clear well, so I have done others and visualization too. Like here, I have used the heat map for visualizing. As we can see, sales, quantity, discount, and profit. And lower the value of column, like there is a negative relation with the negative correlation with the data, and positive the value means there is a positive correlation with the data. And I have visualized the categories of all the sales, like office supplies contribute 60% of the sales, and technology 80.5%, and furniture is 21.2%. um, I have plotted a bar graph of profit and sale by using the group by function. Here we can see the furniture is providing a less profit as compared to other two, but the technology provide a good amount of profit. And the office supply is between the two. And here we can conclude one thing, that we should limit lower down the sales of furniture and increase the sales of other two, like technology and the office suppliers, to make more profit. And also we can plot this bar graph in another method, like this. Here the red portion shows the profit and blue shows the sales, and similarly. And now we will visualize the subcategories of the sales versus profit. Like we can see the copiers and phones provide the major profit, and the tables making us a actually loss, and we can visualize this table by the horizontal as well. Like you can see the tables making us loss, and bookcases also making us loss, but the copies and phones making us a major profit. So here we can conclude one thing more, that we should limit the sales of table and focus on copiers and phones to reduce our sales and improve our profit margin or profit. This is the graph of profit and discount, and these are pie chart of region based. Like you can see, east and west part is a major contribution, whereas the central and south uh, have the less sales as compared to the east and west. They We can also conclude here that we should focus on the west or east part to increase our sales. These are the top 10 state versus top 10 state sales versus profit, and we can see California and New York is a major contributor of our profit. So we should focus on more on California and New York. And here I have plotted the independency of sales, profit, and discount. And from this graph, we can clearly shows that if we give more discount on our product, then our sales increase, but the profit decrease. And there are some which conclusion which like the weaker area where we can work to make more profit are, like, firstly we should limit sales of furniture and increase that of technology and office supplier, as furniture has very less profit as compared to the sales, as I can shown in this. Here we can see the furniture have the lower profit as compared to the technology and office suppliers. And another is considering the subcategories, sales of tables should be minimized because it is making us loss. And third is increase sales more in the east, as profit is more, and we should focus more on easter part because there is a profit is more. We should concentrate on the states like New York and California to make more profit. These are the exploratory data analysis of mine. Thank you.